So Luna is an interesting boat. Can you tell a little bit about the history of Luna here?
Yeah, we tried to buy a good competitive 8-meter, but we actually didn't find one, or we found, but they didn't want to sell. And then we found old drawings, Nicholson drawings from 1930, and or actually there was 4 almost similar boats he had drawn, and then Luna was one which was not built, and we bought those drawings from British Museum. It cost us £30.
Okay.
And then the boat was built in Portugal near Lisbon.
So even though now it's kind of a modern build, then it still qualifies for the Zero Cup.
Yes, because the design is from 1930, and all the building methods are like it was then.
Yeah.
So we have no fibers or epoxies or nothing like that.
Yeah. So I guess now then, if we look to Turku, so there can only be one goal for Luna, I think.
Yeah, I would say 2 goals, but the first one is to be on the podium, and of course we would like to win.
Okay.
I guess finally good feelings. Yesterday we were quite disappointed, but this day was so great and we sailed well, so good feelings now.
I wanted to become the oldest world champion, so I need to settle with being just the oldest.
But hey, I mean, you still can try.
Yeah. 10 more years and then we win.
Okay, and now we go to the first place and who gets the trophy. I would ask Team Luna. Thank you, Team Luna. Strong sailing.